Hello everyone, I'm Kimberly and this is Memaw's Cat Crafts and Chaos. Obviously we're starting off this day good, I can't even talk. So, I have these two cute little molds. They are mummies. They're little round mummies. They turn out super cute. So I put some Google eyes in this one. I'm hoping they're in the right spot. The one kind of looks a little funky, but we'll see. But I want to do glitter in them. Because, you know, just pure white, because that's what you would do for mummies, and I think I want to do glitter mummies. So, got me some resin mixed up here. It's Let's Resin, epoxy resin. It's 1:1. I got about 6 ounces here. And then I just went through my glitters. I love glitter. I don't have a giant glitter, whatever you call. I don't have a lot of glitter, let's put it that way. What glitter I do have is kind of random stuff, just stuff that I've bought over the years. Some of it I have clear back from when I used to do nails. But glitter don't go bad. It don't have an expiration date on it, so we still keep it. So anyway, I've got, this is Let's Resin. It's a chunky glitter. It's called Magic Opal. I've got just some, I think I got this from like Hobby Lobby or somewhere, I don't know. And this one says Snow Swirl. It's a party blend. It's kind of white and different colors. This is just says Crystal Diamond. This is another Let's Resin. These are actually, I just got these today, in fact. And they're glow in the dark glitter by Let's Resin. So cool. I didn't even know they had them till I was on Amazon. Amazon gets me in trouble. Anyway, they have really fun colors in here. I was like, these are so cool, and they glow in the dark. What's better than that? So I want to definitely use some of this because a glow in the dark mummy might be really kind of cool. So I thought, and then I just have, you know, some of these just like came probably from Temu, or like this one's called Aurora Borealis glitter. Both of these. This one's got kind of purpley and yellows. This one's got blues and that. This one is called Sand Dollar. It's kind of big, chunky, kind of chunkier. This is just crystal. I have no idea what this is. Just another one probably off of Temu or somewhere. Anyway, so we're just gonna mix some, but I definitely want to use some of this one. So, we're just going to dump some in here. We're just going to kind of make our own glitter mixture here. And I'm not going to, I don't want to use all of this. So, I think we'll put, maybe we can clean out some of these jars so I don't have so many. Because that one's really pretty. It's just mostly white. It does have a few other colors in there. So we'll just dump all that one in there. This is probably going to hinder some of our glow in the dark, but that's alright. I just thought it was pretty. It might still really glow, who knows. Maybe it'll just randomly glow. So, maybe we could dump some of these Sand Dollar ones in there. See, they're just kind of, just like all the same size. So we'll dump some of those in there. Kind of made it really pretty. And maybe some of this one. That one's got all the, well, that one's kind of a rainbowy. I don't know if I want rainbow. This one's kind of yellowy. Let's do this one, yellow one. Yeah, we'll just dump it all in there. Well, let's see what we come up with. Heck, could be pretty. Could just be, who knows. I don't think glitter would make it look bad, though. How could you go wrong with glitter, right? And I think these are matte molds. I'm pretty sure they're matte molds. I haven't taken a really good look in there, but I'm pretty sure they're matte molds. But if we can always spray them, because, you know, sometimes matte molds don't do a good, you know, don't do a lot for glitters and that, but that's all right. We'll just spray something on it, like a varnish or something to make it pretty. But then we got to add some glue to this because we don't want our glitter to sink. So we got a bunch of random glitters in there. That's pretty. I mean, you can kind of see through. I mean, you can kind of see stuff through it, but that's all right. We'll just go for it. So we're gonna add 6 drops because I got 6 ounces of glue to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoa, that was almost more than 6. And we're gonna make it nice and gloopy. I don't like it when it's like this, but I'm getting over it. Because this is one reason why I haven't used a lot of glitters, because doing the glue thing is kind of gross. It's alright, we'll do it anyway. Alright, that made it really gloopy. So, I'm going to go run this through the vacuum chamber because I don't want any bubbles in there. And I'm going to have to probably split this into 2 different, another cup, so that we don't have a mess in the vacuum chamber. So I will go get that done and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got this run through the vacuum chamber. I think it's going to be pretty. I hope it is anyway. I sprayed some alcohol in these guys and set them upside down. So I'm just going to go ahead and get them poured. And hopefully we won't get any giant bubbles or anything in there. If you want to kind of take something, so hopefully I don't mess my eyes up. I do. I think we can get that on where the heavy eyes are now. They're there somewhere. I mean, I don't really think that running anything down in there is really going to help. I mean, it's mostly, I mean, it does have some edges and stuff because it's like the wrappings on the mummy, you know, so there is a little bit of detail, but not a ton. So we should be okay. I had this same mold. I had one from last year and it had a flaw in it, and I'm hoping that this one, you know, because sometimes you get the molds and no matter how many you get, because it's what they were made from, they'll all have the exact same flaw. I'm hoping this one doesn't. It's a little bit different shaped than the one I had last year, and so I'm hoping that this one is different than that one. It didn't come with this little tiny one either. It just had the bigger one. This one came with the 2, with the bigger and the smaller one. I can't remember where I got it from. I'll have to check. Can't remember if I got these ones off of Temu or Amazon. Those are the 2 places I usually get stuff. Haven't been shopping on Temu very much anymore because they I got a package that just had a thank you note in it, nothing else in it. They said that the thank you note and the package come separate, but I've never received the other package and they won't give me my money back, and it wasn't one of the cheaper things. So I'm not very happy with them right now, so I'm not ordering off of them anymore. So I don't know if anybody else has had those issues, but I did, and it kind of irritated me, so I quit ordering from them. And let my last orders that I had out there, because you know sometimes it takes a while to get them, come in, and I know I probably have some, you know, some credits and stuff. You know how they give you the credits and that. But I just thought, you know what? It's not worth it. Because like I said, it wasn't, if it was like one of the cheaper things that you ordered, that would have been different. But this happened to not be one of the cheaper things. And I never got it. And I even, you know, left a review, said it, and showed that I got an empty package with just the thank you for ordering. Why would you send out a package that says just thank you for ordering without the stuff in it? That's what I didn't understand. Because that's what they said they did. And I was like, well, I never got the product, and it's been way over a month now. So I'm done. I'm done with Temu. So if I can't find it on Amazon or wherever else, I just won't get it. Okay. I got a lot left over here. I gotta find something to put this in because I definitely am not wasting that. So I wasn't sure how much. I forgot to measure it before I started. So I will find something to put these in, and then I will be back at demold. Okay, our mummies and I poured the rest into one of these Let's Resin Ghost molds. So we'll see how this turned out. Doesn't look like any of our glitter sank, so our glue did its job. So did good. Oh, look at that, pretty ghost. So it's a little purpley pinky, but it's all right. No big deal. Okay, let's see what our little mummy looks like. It's kind of hard to see. The detail is all, I don't even know where his eyes are. Oh, there's his eyes right there. So once we put some eyes on him, maybe do something to get his bandages. He's so tiny you can't really see him very well. Let's see what this one turned out like. Oh, our eyeballs didn't work. That really sucks. Yeah, I don't like that the eyeballs look like that. They're cloudy. And I don't think you can get the... Oh, maybe we can. We can get the resin off of them. I've never used the googly eyes in a mold before. It's my first time trying, so I thought, well, let's just give it a try. Well, now I know that they don't really work, so we won't do that again. But looky there, it just popped right off, and now they don't look cloudy anymore. So if we can get it off of this one. Oh, no, we're pulling it off. Make sure we don't pull them all the way off. I have to glue it down again. Yep, we're gonna have to glue it down again, but that's okay. But look, they're cute! Since we got the cloudiness off of them. And then we can, oh, see that one, we're just gonna have to glue back in this spot. But that's not a problem, we can do that. I'm just gonna get the rest of that off of his eye. Oh, that one came off too. That's all right. Basic, not a big deal. Just pull that off. That's the backing to that one. Which I guess we don't really have to get it off. So we'll just glue those back on. Actually, I think I'll get new ones because those ones are kind of ugly now. So we'll get new ones, we'll glue those back on. And then figure out, we'll just take something so you can see his bandages better. I don't know what you would actually do if you just like cover them with white or what. Let me think about it for a second and I'll get back to you. Okay, so our little ghost, we gave her some eyes, and then she got a cute little hat. So she's all done. And then our little, what I did was I just went around and did their bandages with white and left the glitter part. So she just got her bandages done, her eyes, and a cute little bow. And then our big one, we did her bandages, and I had to glue her eyes back on, and then so her bandages are all done, and she got a little bow. So there's our little mummies and our ghost. They turned out cute. So I'll have you some pictures at the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, always embrace your chaos. Thanks, guys.